This is WHRV's Morning Edition. So March Madness, everybody was talking about that earlier this week. Women's History Month is getting ready to close out. We're in the final week of March, and spring is in the air. Look who is rolled in with the pollen. CANDO Plus from the Contemporary Arts Network is here.
That's right, Chuck. Pollen is in the air. I can't wait to write out my name in my car window, you know?
Yeah, I actually had to shave my car before driving in. So that was really exciting. You know, you get out in the morning and just kind of scrape it off and you go about your day. But we do have plenty to talk about as March closes out. April comes in. But before we do, we'll have a final Women's History Month event for you to mention. And then CANDO Plus has painstakingly, in this little thing that we call Can Do, which we do every Thursday, come up with our first event, which is geared towards the kids.
That's right, Chuck. We're going to be starting out with Disney's Moana Jr. It's going to be Friday through Sunday. Friday at 7 p.m., Saturday at 2 p.m., Sunday at 2 p.m. Also, it's going to be at Sandler Center for the Performing Arts over in Virginia Beach.
All right.
Hurrah Players presents the musical adaptation of the Disney film following Moana and demigod Maui on an epic journey across the Pacific that features all the original songs, including How Far I'll Go and You're Welcome. Tickets are $30.
Yeah, I got to send a shout out to Hugh Copeland and everyone over at Hurrah Players. They just do wonderful things for local theater community, and they get the kids involved early, and they show them, hey, yes, you can make a living out of doing this, and yes, it does matter. So awesome.
Yep, definitely a fun family event.
All right, and for the next event, you know, let's say you're kind of like Uncle Chuck and you just don't get out as much as you should. Well, we have a cure for that. Now, especially if you're in Norfolk, in the Collie section, like Highland Park, Larchmont, you just want to get out and meet some of your neighbors. This is really cool.
We got Joy for All, Saturday, March 28th, 11 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. at Collie Community Center over in Norfolk. The Collie Community Center kicks off its new community host series by partnering with Heidi Joy of High Joy Love. Hey, I know her. And this is going to be for an afternoon of interactive art experiences and neighbor connection in a welcoming environment for all ages. The event is free. Our favorite word, free. And donations are welcome. Yes, so I know Heidi Joy from the Contemporary Arts Network.
Oh, so are you planning on a swinging by at all?
Yep, Chuck, that is the plan.
Awesome, okay.
Got to meet up with the Ken Foundation friends.
All right, yeah, hey, I live like literally a minute walking distance from there, so I might swing by too. Saturday, that's 11 a.m. at the Collie Community Center on Collie Avenue. Next, we take it to some theater, and this one is great as we close out Women's History Month, the RBG play.
This is All Things Equal, the life and trials of Ruth Bader Ginsburg. It's going to be Sunday, March 29th at 7:30 p.m. at the Addicts Theater over in Norfolk. Virginia Arts Festival presents this acclaimed one-woman play in which Supreme Court Justice RBG invites the audience into her chambers for a funny, moving, and fascinating look at her life and legacy. Well, legal legacy. Right. Tickets are $32 to $49.
I have never seen this. I have yet to see it, but I've heard fantastic things about it from those who have. You will be laughing. You will be crying. It's the RBG, Ruth Bader Ginsburg life story, and it's at Addicts Theater, the one-woman play, and it begins Sunday night at 7:30. Go online, get your tickets now. Our final event, we've got musical theater, and this is like a flashback to like the early 90s.
This is Mrs. Doubtfire, and it's going to be Tuesday, March 31st at 7:30 p.m. through Sunday, April 5th. It's going to be at Chrysler Hall over in Norfolk. Broadway in Norfolk presents the touring musical adaptation of the beloved 1993 film. Everybody loved it. I loved it. Telling the story of a father who disguises himself as a nanny to stay close to his kids. Featuring an original score by Wayne and Carrie Kirkpatrick.
All right, so that's starting March 31st through April 5th at Chrysler Hall. And I tell you, I just love that movie. Robin Williams, oh my goodness, in that one.
Robin Williams could make anything amazing.
Okay, and as we close out Can Do, how do you get your events listed on Can Do?
You send them to CanDo at WHRO.org. And 2 weeks in advance, so we have enough time to get them on the list, you know?
All right, CANDO Plus. I'll be out on vacation for the next couple weeks, so it's all you.
Yes, and I'll be doing my best Chuck Dowd impression.
Just work on sounding cantankerous. You'll be fine.
Later, guys.
It's Morning Edition.